Next, I'm share with you the beads. Yeah. If make a ring is also easy, we can use these beads make a ring match with this design. So this is the bangle match with this necklace. Yeah, the bangle match with the necklace. Here, they are the match. Then next here, next is the ring. Okay, the ring. The ring can match. We can use the beads, these big beads and the small beads both okay to make. Make the ring. I will use the size 0.8. Need earring. Earring match this one. It will take a little bit long time to make. Yeah, a little bit long time make the earring. But I have a earring that's made before, can be matched, no problem. We have a earring made before, can match with this color. The earring we make it last time, then it come a set. See here, it's beautiful. They can match. They are the same collection. The bangle, green aventurine, and here you can see the design. The earring take a little time to make. Touch with the beads, touch with the teardrop shape, and wrap it here. So this one, the earring, the bangle, and the necklace here. This is made by the copper wire for the frame, and the copper wire wrapper all the beads on it. Then it comes like this. It can be much. Okay. Next, a simple earring, very simple earring. If make a ring, we can use this one to make the stone. Cut it 30 centimeter. I think this ring, most friends, even you are new starter, you can make it. Use these beads. And this one here, we go to make it in a 8, size 8 here. This one here, wrapper. This way, here, then move here, and tight. Here. Cut. So here you can see this will be a very simple and easy ring. here. So it's come out a size 8. So this one is the very simple ring here. This and the small one made it by the braided ring. This is the size 0.8. Size 0.8. We use all the different sizes. Before we use 0.4 to wrap the necklace, and now we use 0.8 to wrap a ring. And if you use the small beads, we can use the 0.6 to make a ring also. Different ring, come out the different look. Use the 0.6 here. This one we braid here. Cut it in 20 centimeter, 2 piece. Sweet touch, you want 2 reel of the 0.8 millimeter wire, gold 1 piece, silver 1 piece, right? Hello. Yes. Why Sally, happy to see you. Okay. Okay, so here we cut 2 pieces of the wire here. Not sick. I drink the water and how to say 呛到了. I drink the water and then become like this. Here. So here I have 2 pieces of the wire in 0.6. One wire I fold at middle. Another wire I fold at 5 centimeter. Okay, here. Then, yes. So here, tight. Use the short wire 5 centimeter to wrap a knot. Wrap the top of the beginning. Okay, we wrap here. This way. Okay. One, two. We string 7 piece beads on each wire. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. 7 pieces of the beads here. Okay. Then next. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. 7 pieces of the beads. Then fold a loop just in case the beads drop away. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. Okay. You will find two wire is the same. Another wire is longer. So we start to braid them. Come one beads and let these beads stay on the side. Okay. Then come the left side piece wire and braid it. Again, come here. Keep to put the beads on the side. This way. Here. This way. Here. This way. Come. This way. Here. This way. Here. 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 Up. Here. So is keep to always let the beads on the side. The beads size is 3 millimeter. How would you make that an earring? If you make it to an earring, you can use 给我拿一个那个汗珠耳钉，然后拿一个蝴蝶耳塞。Okay, let me show you if you make it to a earring how to do. Up. Here. 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 Okay. So after braid, the length if make to a ring is always braided at about 6 centimeter. If your size is smaller, you braid it less, and if your size bigger, you braid it more. Okay. Here, then after is the long piece and the 2 is the short piece. 谢谢。And wrap use this long wire wrap the 2 piece the short. Okay. It's here. Put this piece of the beads at the size you want. It's here. Then let the wire go through. Hang on. Use the plier to pull it tight so the size of the ring is finally decided. Yeah. Confirmed the ring size. If you do the jewelry business, you can make any size of the ring you want for your customer. Yeah. Just put this is the most easy way to control the size. Before, if we wrap to this ring, we sometimes cannot control the size well, but this one is confirm the size as at the last step, so it can be confirm the size very easy. Okay. Here, then when you cut, you don't cut like this, but we have to cut the piece of the wire here, like this. Okay, then tie it here. Then here, up. here. 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 Okay, wrap it. Wrap it. We hidden the band inside the wrapper. Size of wire use the 0.6. Use this size. Yeah. This size. Thank you. The size of the beads you can use the 3mm. Okay. Then tight the end so it's not going to be hurt your finger. So it's a size 9. We wear it at this middle. Okay, so this one. And if you want to make this one to a earring,